Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. So 320 Sundancer, nice big swim platform back here on the back of the boat. This does have the cutout for your electric platform, so that's just vertical lift up and down. Of course, shore power cord goes in over here. There is nice storage underneath both of your backs. And then this cushion here is on a slide so that you can turn it this way. That way, if you want to sit here, face out the side of the boat, or the table inside this boat can be lowered down. There's two different pedestals for it. You can lower it down to seat height, drop this table down to this height, and then there's a cushion downstairs that goes over top of this, and you can turn this into one big massive sun pad the whole way out the back of the boat, which is really, really great. Sure shade extends out the back, electric Kenyon grill, isotherm refrigerator, built-in trash receptacle. Just really, really good cockpit for entertaining, and more importantly, it's air conditioned. So you got a generator on board, and of course on shore power also you can run your AC. So cold air is going to blow out of here, out of down here. A couple other vents over here at the helm. Just comfortable place to hang out. And because you've got 12-volt power, or because you've got shore power and a generator, you've got regular outlets that you can just plug things into. Opening sunroof section up top. That way, if you want to get sun in here or get a little bit more airflow, you can open it up. Here in Texas, we keep them closed quite a bit, but twin engines, 6.2 liters, 350 horsepower per motor. Twin Simrad screens, and of course with the twin motors, you get Axius docking. So Axius joystick allows you to slide the boat side to side, forward, neutral, reverse. Allows you to twist it so you can pirouette the boat. So basically doing this is the same as doing that, but it's just much more intuitive, a lot easier. So, when you pull into a slip, you pull up towards your dock, all you're going to do is you're going to stand here, use this, spin you around 180 degrees. And then once you get spun, it's got your hand on your joystick over here, and you're just watching yourself back it in. So makes it super easy to dock, super easy to handle. Also has a skyhook function, which is essentially a global GPS anchor. So if you hit skyhook, it's going to keep the boat planted exactly where you're at. It'll account for wind, it'll account for current, but it won't make you drift or allow you to drift anywhere. That way you can hit your skyhook button, get up, move away from the helm to get out your fenders, get out your dock lines. Or if you're being blown around a little bit, so constantly trying to reposition the boat while you're waiting for, say, a slip to open up at the gas dock, just get up through the gas dock, hit your skyhook button, keep planted there. It allows you to get your gear out. As soon as your slip opens up, then you can go on in. So, this boat is really kind of blurring the lines between an open bow boat and a cruiser. We're going to go down and check out the cabin here in a second, but really, really nice seating out here on the bow. This one doesn't have it, but we can easily add a cabana shade to it like we do on some of the other SLX models and some of our other Sundancers. So the way they work, it's essentially two carbon fiber poles that come up out of here. Cabana shade clips to it, and it'll clip back to the top of your hardtop. That way, if you want to get shade up here, you can do it. So we'll go down and check out the cabin next. Also, forgot to mention, double USB port up here, as well as another control for your stereo. So let's go down below and check it out. All right. So nice seating down here in your little, in your V-berth, your little dinette area. This table can also lower down to seat height, and you can fill this area in to make this a second bed. Of course, you've got your television up here. This boat, of course, this is air conditioned down here also. And back in your midship, right now it's set up in the twin bed configuration, but you see that strap hanging out the left-hand side. You can take that, pull it all the way over, and then there's a cushion that fills in the left-hand side. You can make that one big bed back there, which really nice. Being a little lower in the water, also a little bit more closed in. It helps hold the cold back there a little bit, so a little bit more comfortable for you. And vacuum flush head that also doubles as a shower. Another isotherm refrigerator down here, as well as a microwave. Really nice headroom too. You know, I mean, I'm standing up all the way. My head doesn't reach top. I mean, I'm 6'2", so it's great place to hang out. So, really nice boat from Sea Ray. It's kind of the all-day day boat. You know, if you want to spend the night on it, you certainly have the berth, the ability to do it. But if you want to spend all day on the water, be out in the sun all day, and then drop anchor and maybe go down below and catch a nap if you get overheated or whatever, or if you want to spend the night, you certainly can. So really nice boat from Sea Ray. We do really well with this boat here in the North Texas market. If you got any questions about this or any other boat you see, pick up the phone and give me a yell.